I'm going to show you how you can easily get extra dice in Monopoly Go. First, open Monopoly Go on your mobile device. Then tap on Play with Friends to continue using your Facebook account. This connection makes it easier to engage with friends and access special offers. Once you're in the game, make sure to claim any available rewards. These can include extra dice, which are essential for rolling and moving in the game. After that, go back and open Google Chrome on your device. Then search for the Dice Monopoly Go link to find websites that provide extra dice. Now tap on the link labeled Free Monopoly Go Dice. These links often lead to promotional offers that give you free dice. Then scroll down the page and tap on any of the available offers you see. Each offer may provide different amounts of extra dice. Finally, keep trying different links like this to maximize your dice collection and enhance your gaming experience.